So in this problem, b sub n is 1 over 3 to the n times n factorial. For part 2, find the limit as n approaches infinity. Well, let's just write it. The limit as n approaches infinity of 1 over 3 to the n times n factorial. That is going to be 0. So then they have this, the drop-down menus. I'll just show this up here. Since the limit is b sub n equals 0, and b sub n plus 1 is smaller than or equal to b sub n, for all n, the series is convergent. Then the second part of the question, if the series is convergent, use the estimation theorem to determine how many terms we need to add in order to find the sum with error less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting 5 zeros in front of that 5. 1, 2. Okay, so I'm going to write that on the paper here. How many terms do we need? How many terms do we need so that the partial sum S sub n is within 0.00005 of S? You could look for partial sums, but you really don't need to do that. And as I said on the previous problem, you can jump around. So I'm going to jump around a little bit on this one. So here's my n, and here's a column for b sub n. And suppose I'm thinking maybe it's 8. I'll go straight to n equals 8. So b sub n would be 1 over 3 to the 8th times 8 factorial. 1 divided by, use parentheses, 3 raised to the 8th times 8 factorial is under the probability menu. So this number is 8 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then a 4. Okay, so that would work, but I don't need that many terms. So they want to know the smallest number of terms. So maybe I'll say, maybe it's 5. So find b sub 5. 1 over 3 to the 5th times 5 factorial. Actually, I'm going to use this up arrow on the calculator and change my 8s to 5s. 0.0000349294. So 5 is too small. So now I know it's either 6 or 7. I'll try 6. 1 over 3 to the 6 times 6 factorial. I'll use the up arrow again. Change the 5s to 6s. 0.000001. I got too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1905. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for b sub 6, I get a 1 in that spot. Now 5 was not enough. And since B sub 6 is smaller than what I'm looking for, we've answered, the WebAssign answered 6.